everyone, today we are going to unbox and make a project of electronic discovery kit. The project name is 197 Radio and Gate. So let's start. Inside the box we get a rule book and a grid and obviously the equipment. So let's start. And I will show you the project, how it's going to look like. Our project 197 Radio and Gate is going to look like this. So let's put the rule book aside and let's start building. So first we are going to take these two batteries, put them at the end of the board. One goes here, one goes here. Then we are going to take one number 2 and we are going to put the number 2 here. So we always gently put it so that it does not move anything or breaks anything, because these are a bit delicate, not really delicate but yeah, a bit delicate. So then we put the on and off key, then we put number 4, which is a quite long one compared to number 2. Then we are going to put adapter number 29. Adapter number 29 will go over here in like this. Yeah, it goes like this, and then we connect the adapters with again a number 2. Then we are going to take the radio transmitter. I am going to place it over here. So you can hold up the wire when it's done, but right now we are still making it, so don't hold it up. It's just going to waste your time. Then we are going to take another number 2 and put it over here. Then we take another number 2, put it over here. Then I am going to take a number 3 and join it from this place. Then we are going to take a number 5 and place it like this. Then we are going to take another number 3 and join it over here. Then we finally take the speaker, which is number 20. From this the sound is going to come, and we place it like this. Then we just take a normal number 3 and we join it. Now it's ready. So see, a sound is playing. You can choose your own sound. Continue playing sounds like this. Right now we are going to close it and your project is done. The project is number 197 Radio and Gate. Thank you for watching the video. Please share, like and subscribe.